Welcome to my unboxing of the Ricoh Theta Z1. Just got this in the mail today. This is the 51 gigabyte. Here we go. All right, from Amazon. Here it is. The Ricoh. All right, let's open it up. Gonna hold the light up so you can see it a little better. Nah, I'll keep it where it was. Turn my exposure up. Bring up my ISO just slightly. Alright, let's see how it comes out of here. Oh, there's this tab right here. Go ahead and just lift that up. First time opening this. I do real estate photography, a company called Agent Pano. And I've always shot my virtual tours with my DSLR. Stitched the panoramas together and done that. But gonna go this route now. Alright, we have our handbook. Our soft case. I also ordered a hard case for this as well. Connector cable. Here it is. There it is, the Ricoh Theta Z1. The 51 gigabyte. It has power, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, modes, functions. It has the incredible 1-inch sensor. See if I can focus a little closer. See that gorgeous lens. Alright, there you have it. It has the 1/4 inch adapter on the bottom to go to a monopod. I'll show you guys later in a different video how I'm going to be making my virtual tours. I'm going to be using a plugin that I'm sure you've all heard of before to be able to do bracketing of my shots, to be able to bring up the best highlights and shadows to give the highest dynamic range. Alright, there you have it. There'll be a link in the description that you can go purchase this. Thanks.